Hey Grizzlies, hello and welcome to this week's workout. Today we're going to get started with something called offset push-ups. Basically we're going to be doing regular push-ups, however our hands are going to be offset. That means one is behind, one is ahead. Since we're going to go for 8 of them, we're going to go ahead and do 4 on each side. So we'll start with this, we'll do 4 like this, and then we'll switch to this. As per usual, we're going to do 2 rounds of that, so let's go ahead and get started on round 1. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I mentioned before, let's switch those hands. Put one forward now and one back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Excellent job, guys. Go ahead and rest. Awesome. Let's go ahead and start round 2 of the offset push-ups. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Switch those hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic job. Go ahead and rest. For the next exercise, we're going to be doing bicycle crunches. In order to do bicycle crunches, you're going to lay flat on your back, you're going to have your feet up, and you're going to bring your right elbow to your left knee, just like this. Then you'll bring your left elbow to your right knee, just like this. Of course, you're going to be doing this laying back. The most important thing is that your shoulders come off the ground when you're reaching across. Okay, make sure we're not pulling on the neck. We're using our abdominal muscles, which are those muscles in our tummy, to lift us off of the ground, over, and then back down. We're going to go for 15 total. 15 total. Every time you do 2, that only counts as 1. Because what happens is we have to go 1 on this side and 1 on this side. So we'll see if we can hit 15 total on the bicycle crunches. Round 1. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent job, guys. Go ahead and relax. Awesome. Welcome back. We're going to be doing the second round now of bicycle crunches. Again, we're going 15. That is 15 on each side. Make sure you're doing them all. Make sure you're getting that elbow across. And as you guys notice, my opposite foot doesn't ever get to touch the ground. So we're keeping those feet off the ground the entire time. Very challenging. I know if you guys need modifications, maybe go for less. It's more important that you do it right and you do all 15. So if you can only do 10 with perfect form, just stop at 10. All right, whatever works for you. Let's go ahead and start round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Great job. Go ahead and relax. All right, next we're going to go on to the 3-point toe touches, but before we do, somebody mentioned to me last week that my lessons were a little bit dry, and then I needed to throw some jokes in there, and what's better than a dad joke? So my question for you is, when does a joke become a dad joke? Go ahead and see if you can figure that one out. All right, if you didn't figure it out, guess what the answer is? When does a joke become a dad joke? When it's apparent. That's when it becomes a dad joke. If you didn't get that one, ask your parents, they can tell you. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started on the 3-point toe touches. The way we're going to do these, you're going to squat down, you're going to touch in front, you're going to touch to the side, you're going to touch behind, and then you stand up. That's a 3-point toe touches. 1, 2, 3. We are going to go ahead and go for 4 on each side. 4 on each side. So I'm going to squat down, I'll do 4 on my right, then I'll stand up and I'll do 4 on my left. All right? Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and go to the other side now. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic job. Go ahead and rest. Okay, let's go ahead and go round 2, 3-point toe touches. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, go ahead and rest. Alright, for the next exercise, you're going to need to find yourself a nice open space of wall. Once you find some wall here, we're going to do what's called a wall sit, but that's not the exercise. We're doing something called the anterior tibialis lift. And the way you do this is simply by doing a wall sit and pulling your toes off the ground. So we're going to go ahead and go for 10 of those. I'll demonstrate. Hopefully you guys can see with the camera over here. Try to stay nice and far out. We're going to wall sit right here just like this. Okay? And you're going to lift your toes. So that would be 1. Just like that. Let's go ahead and go for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent job. Go ahead and rest. All right, welcome back. Before we go on to the next round, I gotta hit you with another joke because that last joke might have been a little bit fuzzy for some of you. Why does a seagull fly over the sea? Take a moment, see if you can figure that one out. All right, the correct answer. Why does a seagull fly over the sea? Because if he flew over the bay, he'd be a bagel. Gotcha. Let's go ahead and go round 2 of the anterior tibialis lift. Squat down here. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent job. Go ahead and stand up and relax. All right, already on the last exercise. The last exercise is flutter kick. You're going to keep those feet off the ground, those legs nice and straight. You're going to point your toes, and you're just going to kick your feet up and down about 6 inches from the ground. Since some of us are going to go at different speeds, we're actually going to go for 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Your exercise will look just like this for 20 seconds. We're going to go ahead and start round 1. Ready, and go. And relax. Excellent job. Fantastic, guys. We're on the last round. Flutter kicks, 20 seconds. Ready, and go. And relax. Great job, guys. Excellent job on today's workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you at the next activity.